Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be playing with all new drugstore products. Well, they're new to me, but I kind of picked these up here and there when I go to CVS or Walgreens or Target, even Walmart. There's some products here from Walmart. So whatever I see that's kind of new to me that catches my eye, I pick it up, and I've been collecting it. So now it's time to play with it and show you guys what it's all about. Before I do that, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications if you want to see more videos regarding beauty and makeup tips, makeup reviews, skincare, and all that good stuff. So without further ado, let's get playing. All right, so as usual, I've zoomed in my camera a little bit, and I'm going to start with this product. Did you guys know that Winky Lux is at Target now? They started off as, at least as my understanding, they started off as more of an indie brand, and then recently I was, going through Target, and I was like, when I saw the Winky Lux sign. So I picked up this eyebrow pencil. I kind of outlined my eyebrows now and combed them up with a little bit of soap. As you know, I like to do the soap brows, but I waited to try this on camera, to try this eyebrow pencil. So it has like this angled tip. So I'm going to just kind of try to do little flecks, like kind of like hairs, but let's see if it works. I don't know. I usually don't like these kind of tips because they seem bulky to me. I like using either my what's this called? The Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit, or the Glossier one, black one. My eyebrows are really black, even though my hair, well, it's fake blonde. But my eyebrows are really black, so I need to get the darkest color available. I like the way my eyebrows turned out this time. Usually when I fuss with them too much, have you noticed that when you fuss with something a lot, it just gets worse and worse instead of getting better? That's what happened to me. All right, let's move on. So the next step is to do I'm going to start with my eyeshadow. I picked up this Starlit Studio. So there's this Starlit palette, and it's Deep Sea Daydream is what this palette called, and it's a pressed pigment palette. So let's see. So what I'm gonna do is take from Catrice, and Tati swears by this, Tati Westbrook, and the Catrice, this one is called Camouflage Cream. So I'm gonna put that all over my lid. Okay, so this is the eye look I came up with. So I decided to do that to make it make things a little bit faster. I decided to do this eye, and then I can tell you guys what's going on with this eye. What I did on this side. I started with this color called Seashell. Seashells by the seashell. I am not good with those tongue twisters. So I'm going to take this fluffy brush and some of the number 7 powder just to set the concealer that I put on, allowing the shadows to blend a little bit easier. I had kind of troubles blending this palette, and what I noticed is that it's really easy to overblend your shadows. I know blending is a good thing, but not with these shadows. You don't want to move them too much, otherwise they become muddy. So I started with, like I said, I started with this brown called Seashell. And I put that in the crease right here. Then I took this little brush and I took Scuba, which is this kind of blue-green color. And I started with this kind of green shadow right in the center. I kind of wanted to create more of a bluish mermaid look. And then once I was done with that, then I went in with Make Waves, which is this one. Kind of like a bright blue, and put that in this kind of, brought that next to that green. And then I went in with High Tide. This deep like navy blue. Just kind of kept this in the corner right here in a V shape. Make sure you, like I said, you don't disturb it too much. Just kind of, you're depositing the eyeshadow color instead of like overly blending. Now, if you feel like you've over blended or blended it to where it's kind of disappearing, you can always go and again do another round of the colors that you first applied, because I can see them fading already. And then I took my concealer flat brush that I like to use, and I went into the Catrice Camouflage Cream Concealer again, and I kind of cut the crease. I mean, I wasn't very precise, just kind of brightened the eye so that the shimmer would stand out more. And then I went into this color called Starfish, this kind of peachy orangey color. The shimmers do go on nicely with a wet brush. And then I went into this color, which is kind of a different peach. It's called Sandcastle. I like to combine these shimmers just so that it has a bit of dimension to it. And I took that and put that right at the middle part of the eye, right in the center. And then I took this gray, it's called Stingray, and it's kind of like a gray shimmer as well, and I put that at the edge right here, kind of giving it a little bit of darkness. I went between Sandcastle and Stingray, just kind of to give it a more of an ombre look, so that it looks like they're just kind of blending into each other. And don't worry about if you went out too far, because that's the whole purpose of starting with your eyes, so that you can clean it up with your concealer and makeup. I mean, with your concealer, clean it up, and it'll look a lot nicer. Now, before I finish the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with my foundation, and I have Lumi Match, and I have the color. What color is this? Neutral. So this is by L'Oreal. I haven't seen it before. I don't know if I just missed it or what, but it's the first time I'm going to try this. So I'll put it a little bit at the back of my hand. I hope I match the right color. It's so hard. That's the only thing I don't like, that you can't really test out. Ooh, I don't know. It looks like it might. I think I got the right color. So then moving on, I have the concealer. This one I had because I haven't picked up any new concealers. I haven't seen anything new really. I have the shade Sand Sable number 20, and this is the Fit Me concealer by Maybelline. And I'm just gonna put that here. Hope it's not darker than my, no, I think it's about the same color. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and blend all this stuff on. And then as usual for under the eye, my e.l.f. little concealer. I bought another one, but now I don't know where I left it. And I'm gonna use the Pixie. This is the Pixie Makeup Fixing Mist. Pixie is a nice brand, but it's one of the more expensive drugstore brands that I've seen. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this in, and then have a number 7 powder ready. It's a really light powder. I got the lightest one, and kind of set the under eye just lightly, not too much, because we don't want to dry the under eye. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and use this number 7 powder again to set the rest of my makeup. So now that I've done that, I'm going to use the from number 7, the bronzer. This is what it, oh, I want to flash you. This is what it looks like. I have the color Caramel. This is a really nice bronzer, by the way. For blush, I have the Milani Baked Blush. These baked blushes from Milani are really, really nice. So now I am going to set my face with the Pixie Makeup Fixing Mist. To highlight, I have this highlighter from Catrice, the Light Up the Stars it's called. And does it have a mirror? Yes. And it's got these 3 highlighters. I haven't tried these yet, but they look really, really nice. It's Star Boy, come here for the glow, and stars come up. I'm gonna mix these two because one is too light and I don't know about that one. So just in case. Ooh. Okay, now it did show. I was like, I don't see anything. I spoke too soon. And that's a nice highlighter. Catrice you can only find at Ulta. I haven't seen it at CVS. At CVS or Walgreens or any of those. For the under eye, I'm going to start off with the High Tide on a flat brush. And then I will take a fluffier brush. And I'm going to go into Seashell. I really like that caramel brown. And just blend, blend, blend. I had originally thought about going with the nude, but I'm going to go with the NYX, this NYX pencil. So it should match the upper eye color just perfectly. I got this ink waterproof liner, but after a while it just got super messy. I don't know if you can see it. It got super messy and it drips, and oh, it's actually starting to drip. I'm gonna throw that away. But they have this new one called Epic Wear, and okay, so I really like this one a lot better than the pen form. This one worked really, really nice. For my lashes, I'm gonna use the Voluminous Lash Paradise. So for lip color, I have these L'Oreal Paris, and it is the color, and I have it in the color Tease, and it's a liquid, I believe it's a liquid lip, yep. It's got a little like doe foot applicator. And I'm just gonna use that as a lip liner. I know we're always in a hurry and nobody, you know, it's hard to have time to line your lips and then all that jazz. But you can use a tip, usually, of your doe foot applicator. So this is Tease. It's a very pretty color. The first time I tried this kind of liquid lip from L'Oreal. And then I have for Maybelline the Lifter Gloss. Apparently it plumps and lifts your lips. I don't know how it would lift my lips, but but I have the color, this one is 008 and they're brand new. This one is Stone. And I did have some of these, like they're what do you call it, cream to powder eyeshadow things from Starlit. So I didn't try, I don't know if I should, maybe I should try one and see. Oh, and these are new as well. It says to apply with the fingertip or a shadow brush, allow it a few seconds to dry on the lid, and then once it dries it won't transfer or crease. Let me see how it looks. Oh, okay. Yeah, that looks really pretty. Huh. Glad I tried them. All right, so this is the look. What do you guys think? I think it turned out really pretty. Drugstore makeup has really been stepping up the game, and it's really convenient for people that don't want to go to too many stores during this time. You just go to your Target or Walgreens or whatever that you pick up medicines or food, and you just shop for your makeup as well. So they're doing a really good job with all these products, and I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you guys think below. I will put everything down below that I tried. These Starlit ones are really nice, like I said, as long as you don't over blend them because they will turn muddy, but I think it turned out really, really nice. And you can easily achieve a lighter, you know, like with these tones, a lighter daytime look. So yeah, and I really like these Starlits. It'd be nice if I could get a lighter color because these are kind of on the stronger side, but still they're really pretty. The lip color, this new lip lift from Maybelline is really, really nice as well. It feels nice and moisturizing. The eyeliner is super good, and I know I'm going to use it a lot because I really enjoyed it. What else? Of course, the Pixie is really good. The setting mist is really nice. And the highlighters from Catrice, they did a really nice job. And the, what do you call it? The bronzer and the powder from number 7 are really nice as well. So I don't think anything I didn't enjoy. I mean, I had a little bit of trouble with the eyeshadow, but once I got the hang of it, it turned out really nice. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, please share it with somebody that you think might be helpful. And don't forget to stay healthy and stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.